So here we have the Seat Leon on a 65 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. From the outside, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot area of it, first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60-40 split folding rear seat, should you wish to increase this space even further again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and, as I mentioned, run through some controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. On the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the centre, you can see the total miles for the car. They are 40,089. Above that, we have a digital readout for the speedometer. You can change that for various bits of trip computer and fuel economy information, as you can see. And there are other menus available to you as well, all of which can be displayed up here, back around to the driving data menu. If we back out to the steering wheel, the buttons I was just using are here. We've got voice activation for our phone there as well. Stereo and phone controls on the left-hand side, and then cruise control on the top of this stalk. Into the centre, we have the main touchscreen. So you can see, first of all, there's a visual guide to the parking sensors. There are some physical buttons down each side, and then it becomes touchscreen from there. So radio, and you'll see we've got FM, DAB, and AM radio. Hit the media button to listen to your own music, and then again, top left-hand corner there, you can see all the different ways in which you can listen to music, and they include Bluetooth audio. So you can stream your music wirelessly and make and receive phone calls as well. That is, of course, once you pay your phone, which is done just here. We have got satellite navigation, which you can access from there, and then the main menu, which you can use the touchscreen, as you can see, or you can rotate with this dial and select any of these items that you want to go into. Below that, we have the air conditioning. So you can adjust the temperature, the fan speed, and the direction you'd like the air to be distributed in. The air conditioning is off at the moment. That button turns it on. The same button will turn it off again. Got a heated rear screen, and you can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly in here, depending on the temperature you set just there, of course. Above that, we've got stop and start, which you can turn off and on again. It's off, incidentally, when this light shows, so it's on now. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic, which in turn will save you fuel. You can turn your parking sensors on and off, and we've got our hazard warning lights there, of course. Below that, we've got a USB input, auxiliary input, and then your 6-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Glenbourne's. We'd love to hear from you.